Where would the aquatic birds that you find in northeastern United States fit in the great family tree of birds? Well, ducks, along with turkeys and grouse, would be one of the most primitive branches breaking off the family tree of the birds alive today far earlier than most lineages. Grebes would be the second most primitive lineage, breaking off at the same point as the doves. Many of the aquatic birds come from the middle of the family tree, breaking off after the branch which would give us the orders of hummingbirds, swifts, and nighthawks, but before the lineages which would give us the birds of prey, woodpeckers, falcons, and the songbirds.